So here we have the way the installation at the Camarillo location should be installed. If we look here, this mounting box should be mounted with the G vertically aligned, so that the top of the G is at the top of the pole, or is in alignment with the top of the pole. So if we see here at the fittings, you have it correct in where the fitting should sit. However, you have the orientation flipped. This plane needs to be in this orientation, not the flipped orientation you currently have it in. Same thing with the cable holster, that should be down here. Also to note, the power line for the screen should come from this port right here and meet up with the screen right here. The power line for the charging box should come from this port right here and meet up with this port right here. Let's do the same thing with the other side, right? Each side is simply a mirror vision of each other, right? This port goes to this power line, and then this port goes to this power line. Okay. The poles you have are placed correctly, and then there you go.